Multi-factor authentication, or MFA, is a crucial layer of security in our increasingly digital world. Think of it as a lock on your front door that requires not just a key, but also a secret code or a fingerprint to get in. This added layer helps protect your sensitive information from unauthorized access, making it significantly harder for cybercriminals to breach your accounts. There are several methods of MFA, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The most common method is the SMS-based one-time password, or SMS OTP. While it's convenient, it's not without its flaws. Cybercriminals have found ways to intercept these texts through SIM swapping or phishing attacks, rendering SMS OTP less secure than we might hope. That brings us to Authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate time-sensitive codes that are much harder for attackers to intercept. They work offline, which means you don't have to rely on your mobile network. Plus, they add an extra layer of security by requiring you to have physical access to your device. Then there are hardware security keys, such as YubiKey. These little devices plug into your computer or connect via Bluetooth, providing a physical element to your authentication process. They are incredibly secure as they require you to have the key in your possession to access your accounts. This makes it nearly impossible for someone to hack into your account remotely. Now, let's talk about the evolution of passkeys. Passkeys are a newer form of authentication that aim to replace traditional passwords altogether. They use cryptographic keys stored on your device, making them resistant to phishing attacks. With passkeys, you authenticate using biometrics or a PIN, and the key itself never leaves your device. This means that even if a hacker manages to steal your credentials, they won't be able to access your accounts without the physical device. However, no security measure is foolproof. There are real-world scenarios where MFA has been bypassed. For instance, attackers have used social engineering tactics to trick users into revealing their authentication codes or even gained access to their devices. This highlights the importance of being vigilant and aware of the potential risks. To secure your accounts effectively with MFA, follow some best practices. Always enable MFA wherever possible, especially on accounts that hold sensitive information. Use Authenticator apps or hardware keys instead of SMS OTP for better security. Regularly review your account activity and be cautious of phishing attempts. If you receive unexpected requests for authentication codes, take a moment to verify the source before responding. In conclusion, multi-factor authentication is an essential tool in the fight against cyber threats. By understanding its methods and limitations, and by implementing best practices, you can significantly enhance your online security and protect your personal information from prying eyes.